Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I'm going to share my idea of how you can make the best bone broth soup. Now this bone broth soup is very good. It's very healing to your stomach. So many people who has problem with digesting food and who has leaky gut, this bone broth soup is amazing. It's really like a godsend thing. So the reason a lot of people do not like eating the bone broth soup, because the bone broth soup is made such a way that's not tasty. So I'm going to show you to make the most tastiest bone broth soup ever. So for that, I have taken some bones. This is the leg and the thigh bones for chicken. You can use the wings as well. Just make sure there's little bit of meat in that, so that's going to bring the taste. Now if you eat potatoes, you can add 2 large potatoes to it, and if you don't, then it's fine too. So we're going to add first, start our heat, and then we're going to add little bit of oil, about a quarter of a teaspoon, just to saute the spices. And to this I'm going to add, as you know, a little bit of cumin seed. And you can add a pinch of asafoetida too. And this is the asafoetida, this is called hing, and you add this much, a pinch. We're going to heat up the oil. As you see, the asafoetida and the cumin seed is roasted very nicely. Now when they are roasted really nicely, they will release a beautiful smell, and also it will be crunchy. So as I see, this one is pretty much roasted. To this, I'm going to add the chicken. This has little bit of meat in the bones. And to this, I'm going to add all the spices. So now this has 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, little bit about half a teaspoon of garam masala, little bit about half a teaspoon of very hot spicy chicken masala, and 1 teaspoon of kadai ghost masala, a half a teaspoon of cumin seed, roasted and crushed. You need to add all of them. Now we're going to roast this masala for about 5 minutes. So as you see, this one has a lot of masala. It's already flavoring good, smelling good. And to this, I'm going to add, this one has about 2 tablespoons of onion, ginger, garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of large tomato paste and cilantro leaves. Now you cook this one about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add lots of water and transfer it to a big stock pot. I'm going to cook it about an hour. Simmer it. You can do more than that. You can do 2-3 hours, but at least an hour. The longer you do, better it is. And after it's cooked about an hour or two, then you can enjoy it with bread or rice, and this is going to be smelling really good and tasting really awesome. So as you see, it's kind of all mixed with all the masalas. At this point, you can add water to it. So now I'm going to transfer this one in a large stock pot and add lots of water and let it boil for 1 to 2 hours. So as you see, I have transferred it into a large stock pot and I put lots of water to it, and I'm going to let it boil for 2 hours. See, it has full of water, so all the spices came above, and now this is going to boil for 2 hours. 2 hours later, I'll turn it off, and this is going to be the yummiest bone broth soup. So I'll give you a picture once it's boiled 2 hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I'll see you with many more videos. But please do share, because many people want to eat bone broth soup but it tastes so bad they don't want to eat it. But this is the bestest tasty bone broth soup ever. As you see, the bone broth is really boiling, and has been boiling for an hour now, and as you see, the bone is coming on top and it's really boiling very heavily. So I'm going to let it boil 1 more hour. Now if you have the time, you can boil this 2 hours maximum, definitely 1 hour, not less than an hour. So between 1 to 2 hours, since it's chicken, between 1 to 2 hours is going to be done really nicely. But check it periodically, make sure it's not burned, and it always have enough water, because the water is the main thing. And when this is done and you cool it and keep it in the fridge, it will be just like jello, but it will have all the bones and everything. It will be very tasty. You can eat it with your brown rice or just drink it as a soup. It's very appetizing. So I'm just gonna let it cook. So as you see, the bone broth is ready, and this is the best bone broth in the world. It looks so yummy and tastes so yummy, you cannot imagine. You can eat this one 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a day, bowl full of it, and you're never gonna get tired of it, because this is just so yummy. So please follow the recipe. I'll have everything in the description box, and please do make it. It is really yummy and very healthy for you. Thank you. Bye bye.